All right, moving right along. Number 17 on the EOC practice test for Math 3. Alice is half as old as Leo. Leo is 3 years younger than Samara. Write an equation that gives Samara's age S in terms of Alice's age A. Enter your answer in the space provided. All right, so the first thing we want to do is let's assign variables. So we're going to say A equals Alice, L equals Leo, S equals Samara. All right, so Alice is half as old. All right, so Alice is half Leo's age. Leo, remember, is equal, so that's how we have an equal sign here. Leo is 3 years younger than Samara. So we got Samara minus 3. So Leo is 3 years younger. All right. Write an equation that gives Samara's age S in terms of Alice's age A. All right, so the first thing we need to do is say, okay, let's write this. Let's solve for L. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So this is equivalent to 2A equals Leo's age. All right, and then down here, let's solve for Samara's age. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. So that's equivalent to L plus 3 equals S. Now we're looking for Samara's age in terms of Alice's age. So what we need to do is take the 2A and substitute it in for L because L equals 2A. So S equals 2A plus 3. All right, let's make sure we did it. So write an equation that gives Samara's age S, okay, S, in terms of Alice's age A. S equals 2A plus 3, so that's it. S equals 2A plus 3.